So hello guys, welcome back to my channel Neural Nerd. So today we are gonna see the my third project on generative AI. So this is basically a PDF query. So what it does is like we can send any PDF under 200 MB or limit, and after processing it, we can ask queries related to that specific PDF. Like it will give us the page numbers and the correct output, like the answer according to it. If you ask anything outside it, it will not be. So here it's a demonstration. So first of all, I am using a Qdrant for vector storage. And using a Streamlit for the interfaces. So here you can see as I have uploaded and have processed it, the vector embeddings have been stored in a Qdrant. Now you can ask any query related to it. So first of all, let's uh, open up this book. This is the PDF which I have sent to it. So it's basically a Node.js guide. So let's see what question we can ask it. So, so let's see. So yeah, let's ask about the HTTP request. So so as I'm using VectorDB and the LLM model I'm using is Gemini 2.0 Flash. So let's see how to error handling uh, handling for HTTP request. Give example. So let's see how does it process it. You can see the it explains according to the context of this thing. So you can see all the page numbers also given correctly. So it explains exactly what is according to the PDF itself. So this is what it is, and the history is also stored in the side for each of your quick. So let's ask another question. So let's see which question to be asked. um, so the main thing in this thing is like if the file is much bigger then the for the LLM model it would be difficult to handle it. So like I have tested with a 200 pages book. This is a 150 like 120 pages, so it's working a bit fine. Like the queries are getting okay. But when I tried with a longer book like about 250 or so on, like it's answering it, but not so that deep. Like for some questions, if you ask very general and very specific, like if the questions are found once in a while, like answers are found in once in a while in that book, then it might be difficult for it. But if you have some topic wise things and a page limit 100 200 or so on, you can get a good response from this model. But yeah, it needs to be improved, but it's a base model, and this is my first basic RAG application. So here you can see I asked about how to push my GitHub code. So it's saying the steps what it is. It is also giving me the code. So now I am asking to teach me the MongoDB. So it's already in that PDF, Node.js. So I'm also asking an example. So let's see how does it respond. Yeah. So here you can see it's also given us the code also, and explaining us each in every step, like inserting a document, modifying a document, connections. So everything is done. And here you can see the history, and I also optimized it with other simple buttons like delete, which deletes the file from this uploaded PDF. here I use PyPDF. Uh, so here I have used Google Generative AI embeddings and used Qdrant vector storage, as well as for splitting the documents I have used a recursive character text splitter, and for loading the files it's PyPDF loader. Okay, and this is my system prompt. It's a bit simple and I want to keep it as simple. And in the user message I'm sending the context, that is the related cards, um, which are according to that query. So for another demonstration purpose, uh, I have picked one storybook which is under a limit. So let's see, let's pick up some random book. um, okay, let's pick this book, The Old Man and the Sea. So what I recommend is that after you use it with a particular PDF, please try to delete it. So it will be removed from the Quadrant DB storage also, and it will be efficient without any latencies or so on. So this is the book I want to. So I'm checking whether I can copy the text, because uh, whilst there are some books which are like images, okay, you can't copy the text. So for that, when you try to load that PDF into my model, you can get errors like it can't copy the, it can't absorb the text itself. So you can't expect anything, so be careful with that. So let's get started. So first of all, I'm deleting. So first of all, for questions purpose, I'm asking the Leo AI here just for demonstration. So here is some questions that I want to ask my model here. So first of all, let's delete the PDF. So this would be deleted from my, okay. So you can see here the uploaded file has been deleted from the repository as well as from the storage also, and I have uploaded the new one here. So let's process it, and the processing has been completed. Now let's ask about other questions that has been generated from this model. So okay, so let's copy these questions, and we would expect those answers itself, as I can't read all the book. So let's see how it does. The here you go, and it's also giving us the page numbers, so which is more specific. And yeah, let's go to the next question. I'm going a bit fast here. So here it is, the fisherman. So let's go for the question, that what is the significance of the thing. So it's given a clear answer for this.